Stop wasting $200 a month on productivity tools. There's one AI tool replacing Trello, Google Docs, Asana, and even your assistant. And yes, US startups are quietly using it to scale faster. Here's why Notion AI might be the smartest productivity tool in 2026. Creators in the US are overwhelmed. Too many apps, too many tabs open, too much chaos. You plan content in one app, write scripts in another, track clients somewhere else. That's not scalable. Notion AI combines everything into one intelligent workspace. You can plan your YouTube content calendar, write scripts using built-in AI, create client CRM systems, track revenue and business goals, and manage your team in one place. And the AI inside can generate content ideas, rewrite emails, summarize meetings, and turn messy notes into structured plans. It's like having ChatGPT built directly into your workflow. American startups move fast. They care about speed, automation, efficiency. Instead of paying for 4 to 5 different subscriptions, they centralize everything in Notion. Less tools, more execution. Pros: all-in-one system, AI built inside, perfect for creators and startups, clean and customizable. Cons: takes a few days to learn, advanced AI requires paid plan. If you're building a business in 2026, you don't need more apps, you need smarter systems. Test Notion AI for 7 days and watch your productivity double. Follow for more AI tools that actually make money. Follow for more AI tools that actually make money. Don't let your business fall behind in the AI revolution.